Hello students, how are you all? Today we will read remaining half of the reader, The Egg Hunt. Let's wrap up this story. First, what happened in the first half? Kate came to stay at Wilma's house and together they decorated the cake with sweet eggs and toy chicks. While Kate was decorating the cake, Wilma got an idea and she went to the park with her father. Let's see what happened next. And here we can see father and Wilma are in the garden. And see what Wilma is doing. Oh, she's hiding eggs in the flower. And dad is talking to the lady. Here we can see there are some eggs under the plants and bushes. Wilma looks happy. Let's read the text. She put them in the trees. She put them in the flowers. Let's see what happened next. And here we can see Mom, Wilma and Kate are in the park. And what Mom is holding? Yes, she is holding a basket in her hand. And see, Wilma looks very excited. Let's read the text. Wilf and Kate came to the park. You can look for eggs, said Wilma. From the text, we infer that after hiding eggs, Wilma called Wilf and Kate to hunt for candy eggs. Here we can see squirrels are picking eggs from the plants. A man with a dog is walking in the garden. Let's see what happened next. And here, how many characters you see in the picture? Yes, Mom, Wilf, Wilma, and Kate. And what are they doing? They all are hunting for sweet eggs, but there are no candy eggs. Wilma looks anxious. And you can see there are squirrels running in the garden. Let's read the text. Kate looked for the eggs. Where are they? She said. What do you think? What happened next? Let's see. Oh, this picture explains where all the candy eggs are. They are hidden in the tree hole. And how many squirrels are on the tree? Count with me. One, two, three. Yes, there are three squirrels on the tree, busy eating sweet eggs. Mom, Kate, Wilf, and Wilma are standing under the tree. They have sought out the mystery of the hidden eggs, and they all are so excited to see squirrels like sweet eggs. And let's read the text. The squirrels had them. Squirrels like eggs, said Kate. And let's see what happened next. And here we can see all characters of the story are at home. Dad is holding a bag of sweet eggs while kids are enjoying eating eggs. They all are happy. Let's read the text. So do I, she said. Here Kate wants to say that she is fond of sweet eggs like squirrels. Outside the house, Kate's mom has arrived to take Kate back home. Goodbye, Kate. Come again. See you. And this is an assessment for you. Question number 1. Where did Wilma hide the sweet eggs? And you know the answer. Yes, Vilma hid the sweet eggs in the flowers and under the plants. Question number 2. Who had taken the sweet eggs? Yes, the squirrels had taken the sweet eggs. And question number 3. Where did squirrels hide the sweet eggs? Yes, they hid the sweet eggs in the tree hole. I hope you have enjoyed this story. Take care and Allah Hafiz.